You literally can't make this stuff up. Check this out. GameStop after market hours is up 11.8%. And at one point it was up over 20% when it hit highs of 23.80. You might be asking, well, why, Ricky? Why is it up so much? They are announcing an at the market offering program, pretty much selling 45 million of their shares, which is about nearly $1 billion, 933 million to be exact. And this program supposedly can be used for, or may be used for, acquisitions and investments. And I can promise you, every meme trader, every Reddit trader is going to be using that phrase. Oh no, they're raising $1 billion to be able to reinvest and for acquisitions for GameStop. If that's what you really think, then again, I wish you nothing but the best. Look at GameStop year over year. It's a dying company. It's not an opinion, it's a fact, right? Their overall estimates year over year continue to decline because it's not a growing company, it's a declining company. So I'm all for making money. And I love trading these kinds of pump and dumps because I know when to take profits. Because just like this, when it was up 20%, we all know that it's a short-lived positive catalyst. Now, can this be the spark of the domino effect that might lead to a larger push? Sure. But when that day comes, I can choose to take action then. I don't have to bag hold this stock hoping for something to happen. And again, I feel like that's the biggest mistake that beginner traders make, is that they get hopeful and get ahead of themselves, and they often end up in the red because they had what? They had no trade plan where they wanted to enter, exit, cut losses, and understand what was their profit and risk potential. But this is why, again, we talk about this because it's the ugly side of trading. It's the not so pretty part because we're not always just talking about profit, but we're talking about the potential loss that you could take. But again, that is real trading. You need to have a plan. And again, even if you wanted to use this, our risk to reward ratio calculator, we offer it for you for free. You guys can go on over to techbutsolutions.com under trading tools and download it, or you can just shoot me a direct message via Instagram, send me a message, risk calculator, and I'll send it right to your inbox. Other than that, I wish you an amazing 3-year weekend. I wanted to make sure that, again, when I talk about GME or AMC, when they're down, I talk about them. But I also wanted to bring attention on when they're up, and they definitely are up right now, 13%, but I wanted to share with you why. So you guys let me know down in the comment section, do you think that this is going to be a domino effect that's going to lead to something much greater, or do you think it's a short-lived positive catalyst that's only going to get GME right back down to sub $20 per share? And remember, if you want to watch me trade live as soon as the market opens, it's going to be the second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.